countries to invest more in public health to recover from the impacts of the corona pandemic. US President Donald Trump will announce today, Wednesday, a drawdown in US troops from Iraq. Prime Minister Imran Khan has directed to prepare a roadmap to steer the country out of the gas crisis. In Afghanistan, the Vice President Amrullah Saleh narrowly escaped when a bomb blast targeted his convoy in Kabul today, Wednesday. US to block key exports from China. The death toll from a collapsed mine in KPK, Pakistan rises to 22. Group of 7 foreign ministers have urged Russia to quickly find and prosecute the culprit behind the poisoning of opposition leader Alexei Navalny. Russia detained Deputy Energy Minister Tikhonov over fraud allegation. The Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority has continued its departmental action against employees over the issues of fake license as 3 more employees have been terminated from their services. Greece man migrant camp gutted after a huge blast.